Why do words wield such power? Consider this. From the hallowed halls of academia to the bustling boardrooms of the business world, the ability to craft a compelling essay can open doors, influence decisions, and showcase deep understanding. Today, we unravel the art of essay writing, transforming this daunting task into a series of manageable steps. Firstly, every memorable essay begins with a clear, concise thesis statement. Picture the thesis as your essay's backbone, supporting every argument and idea presented. For instance, if you're writing about the impact of climate change, a strong thesis could be, climate change not only alters environments, but also reshapes global economic landscapes. This statement sets a focused tone for the essay, guiding subsequent content. Next, we dive into the structure. An essay typically follows a three-part outline: introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction serves as an opening act, setting the stage and drawing the reader in with intriguing hooks like a startling statistic or a provocative question. Moving to the body, this section breaks down your thesis into smaller arguments or points, each housed in its own paragraph. Consider using examples, studies, or personal anecdotes to bolster each point. For instance, discussing climate change's economic impact, one might detail how coastal businesses suffer due to increased flooding. Transitioning between paragraphs deserves its own spotlight. Effective transitions act like bridges, allowing readers to smoothly travel from one idea to the next. Phrases such as furthermore, however, or consequently not only enhance flow but also reinforce the logical structure of your argument. Now, every essay needs a closing act, the conclusion. This isn't merely a summary, but a final chance to impress your thesis upon the reader. A powerful conclusion revisits the main points and ties them back to the thesis, perhaps ending on a call to action or a thought-provoking quote. For our climate change essay, one might conclude with, as we witness the economic disruptions from climate change, immediate action becomes not just a necessity, but a responsibility. But what about the style? Clarity and conciseness reign supreme. Active voice predominates, painting a direct, vivid picture. Instead of writing "the experiment was conducted by the researcher," say "the researcher conducted the experiment." This shift not only tightens the prose, but also engages the reader more directly. Editing is the final critical step. Here, the devil is truly in the details. Review your essay for coherence, grammar, and punctuation. Tools like spell checkers are useful, but don't underestimate the power of a fresh pair of eyes. Have someone else read your work. Often they can catch errors or offer insights that you might have missed. In conclusion, mastering essay writing is akin to learning a form of art. It requires understanding the structure, honing the style, and refining through relentless practice. As you continue to write, remember that each essay is a stepping stone towards becoming a more effective communicator. Whether you're aiming to ace an academic course or to sway a room full of executives, the power of a well-crafted essay is undeniable. So keep practicing, keep learning, and let the words unfold their power.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.